can lead a business, we must always carve out time to put our lab coat on and observe, reflect, think, and experiment. Why? Because if we want to be in a position to predict outcomes, we need the scientific method, a framework designed and perfected to eliminate bias, well, as best we can, and establish knowledge to make reliable predictions. In PwC's 22nd Global CEO Survey, they found that organisations are, quote, struggling to translate a deluge of data into better decision making, end quote. Without the scientific method and time to think slowly, our understanding is limited and dependent on the cognitive biases and assumptions that our brain relies on to react and navigate most decisions, which we make automatically. And whether we're leading a business of 1, 5, 50, 5,000 or 50,000, our responsibility as leaders is to ensure that we're making the best decisions to serve our purpose. Business science is about applying the scientific method to gather and interpret information relevant to our business in order to turn it into business intelligence. In fact, the number one priority for CEOs when it comes to data collection is in relation to customers' and clients' preferences and needs. However, only 15% of CEOs find their current data comprehensive. So to understand this better, we need the scientific method. It will allow us to predict what ideas will yield the best results.